Hi, my name is David Swayne, and I'm a veterinarian who does research on poultry. Some of the worst diseases in the world can affect poultry, such as avian influenza in Newcastle. And my work focuses primarily on avian influenza. There's a variety of different things I have done in my career and have had the opportunity to work with some of the best researchers in the world. I'll just tell you a little bit about one of my most recent projects, which has been working in developing countries, third world countries, in trying to improve the food supply for people in small villages and individual households. So avian influenza has attacked several different developing countries and affecting the poultry, causing very high mortality, and therefore limiting some of the basic protein source that poor families in rural areas develop. So in this research, I teamed with a veterinarian from the United States Department of Agriculture who was working in Egypt, and together we looked at how are these viruses transmitted from poultry to humans, of which most of the cases in Egypt that have affected humans have been in women and children, the primary caregivers for their household poultry. And working together, we identified that the virus is spreading by aerosol, and we did initial studies in my containment lab developing ways to measure whether this virus goes during the slaughter process from birds to humans. And we were able to recover the virus from the air when we did slaughter of infected birds that appear to be completely healthy and well. And the colleague also worked in Egypt with local veterinarians and public health officials to develop a program whereby the people could more safely slaughter home poultry and reduce their chances for getting an infection. And by doing this, it was endorsed by several different Egyptian associations and has the blessing of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. And we hope that the posters that have been put together showing how to properly do slaughter of chickens will be applied and used in Egypt.